Hello, today we are going to talk about Mucotil tablets. Its composition is acetylcysteine effervescent tablets. Acetylcysteine actually works by clearing mucus present in the lungs. This is a 600 mg capsule. As you can see, this is a 600 mg capsule, and the uses of the drugs include bronchitis, cystic fibrosis, emphysema, asthma and chronic cough. One thing that must be kept in mind that the tablet must be dissolved in water before consuming, and the tablet should not be consumed directly. Another thing about is Mucotil tablets should always be taken on the proper advice given by your healthcare physician. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you.